Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think you are so well by the grace of Allah. Today I am here, your English teacher, Muhammad Salihuddin, senior teacher of Dhaka Shikha Board School and College, to take a class about English second paper for the students of class 7. My dear students, you know that in English second paper, there are two parts. Part A is for grammar and part B is for composition. So, my dear students, today I like to take a class about the grammar, use of articles. Use of articles. The topic is not new to you because in class 7 and also in class 6 you have practiced and have known the rules of articles. So, my dear learners, I would like to take the class about the use of articles for the students of class 7. My dear students, you know well that our half-yearly exam is going on, and for the students of class 7, the grammar, articles and prepositions will be held from the grammar part. So, today I like to take the class about the use of articles. My dear learners, you know that in question number 1, in question number 1 in grammar part, in question number 1, in question number 1 in grammar part, in question number 1 there is articles. My dear students, you know that there are two types of articles. One is definite and another is indefinite. So, very beginning I like to tell you the definition of articles. The word which modifies the person or place or thing, or the word which determines the place or person or thing is called articles. So, there are two types of articles. One is indefinite and another is definite. Definite articles the and indefinite article a and also an. So, the word which determines the noun definitely is called definite article, and the word which determines the noun or pronoun or any place indefinitely is called indefinite articles. My dear students, in different levels you have known some rules of articles. Today I like to also discuss some rules of articles. Indefinite, a, an. Usually a is used before the word which starts with consonant, such as a cat. But differently, you see an hour. Here, hour is though is consonant, but it is silent in pronunciation. So, you have to use an. C, consonant. So, we have used here a. But when you will see that something we are going to tell definitely, then we have to use the cat. Here the word the cat has been mentioned definitely, that's why the has been used here. A has been used for consonant, N has been used because here is silent. My dear students, when you will see that the word starts with a vowel, I think you can see here the word umbrella has been started with the letter U. U is a vowel, that's why we have used here N. Differently, you see here you see also U is a vowel, but we have used here consonant, though it is not a consonant, it is a vowel, but we have used here A because here U actually here pronounces as consonant U, so here Y consonant, that's why we have used here A, not N. My dear students, so usually we have learnt that when the word starts with a consonant, then you have to use A, but differently when the letter of the word becomes silent, then you have to use N. But definitely when we will tell something to express definitely, then we have to use definite article the. But differently when we have to use article before the word which has been started with a vowel, then we have to use N. But when you will see that the letter which has been used as a pronunciation of consonant, then we have to use A. Okay, my dear students, A, N, and also the. A and the, but in some places of a sentence, there we can't use any article, then we have to use a clause, because you see all day long actually is a phrase. In a phrase we need not use any article, then we have to use a clause. My dear students, now we will see what type of question is set from the articles. It is question number 1 for the students of class 7. Fill in the gaps with suitable articles A, N, the. A or N or the put across actually where an article is not necessary. You have to use across there. Dear learners, now we will see that the question is given in a passage. Just you can see that is a passage about a topic. The topic may vary. The topic is actually about a rainy day. This is a passage, and in this passage there are, you see, there are 8 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to use suitable articles. A rainy day occurs. In very beginning, you have to read the passage very carefully, and you have to use the articles correctly. And before using or before practicing articles, you have to read the rules of articles from your book. My dear learners, you see, a rainy day occurs in gap rainy season. You see that rainy season, there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. So rainy season is one of them. So it is told definitely. So a rainy day occurs in the number A. Number 1, the rainy day occurs in the rainy season. Here, in gap rainy day, actually this is a day. That's why we have to use here in a rainy day. It rains all gap long. Actually, this is a phrase. This is a phrase, and in the phrase we can't use any articles. That's why, my dear students, in number A, the number B, in a rainy day, A, and number C, it is a phrase all day long. So we did not use any article. That's why you have to use here cross. When you will use a cross, then you have to use a bracket. A rainy day occurs in the rainy season. In a rainy day, it rains all day long, cross. Number D, sometimes it rains cats and dogs, and sometimes it drizzles. It is dull and gloomy day. Actually, it expresses a day. That's why you have to use A. Number next, gap. Weather is foul. Actually, has been told definitely. So you have to use the students. You have to remember that when the sentence starts, then you have to use the capital letter of the articles. Number F, gap sky is overcast with thick clouds. Here the sky is only one in the world. That's why you have to use the, and here also you have to use the capital letter. Number G, can't go without, you see here, umbrella. Umbrella, actually here the letter U, vowel. That's why we have to use N. And number is gap road becomes muddy. Actually, it has been used to express something definitely. That's why we have to use here the, also should be capital letter, because the sentence has been started with a gap. These are the answer, my dear students, and in the exam you need not copy the passage. You have to write only the answers serially and also suitable words using or knowing the articles. My dear students, you know that in the next coming half yearly exam, there will be a question from articles. I think if you practice and know the rules of articles, you'll easily get full marks in articles. Thank you, my dear students.